Oh, me touch you now. Me ask you a question.
Hello.
Me say me touch you.
Who tap me on my face?
Who tap me on my face?
So, you know, like excitement.
One result.
One chatting on my friend.
Chatting make no sense.
One is straight away I'm in the hand.
Hello.
One result.
That's not true. I'm a clown, no, I'm a clown, I'm a piece for you. And I know your papa, you know, you're clown, I'm a piece. So, true. I said, I'm a touch me. I said,
Let's chat.
First come top.
Ingat Jamaica na, Amal, please.